The story of the daily banana begins not with a bang, but with a whisper, a gentle influx of essential nutrients that, over time, begin to sing a powerful symphony within your system. At the heart of this transformation lies potassium, a mineral often overshadowed but undeniably crucial. Imagine your body as a meticulously designed electrical circuit. Potassium is a vital conductor, ensuring that nerve impulses fire correctly and muscles contract smoothly. When you consistently provide your body with this steady stream of potassium from a daily banana, you're essentially optimizing your internal wiring. This isn't just about avoiding a cramp during your morning jog. It's about the consistent, rhythmic beating of your heart, the precise communication between your brain and your limbs, and the delicate balance of fluids within your cells. Over weeks, this consistent supply translates into a more stable blood pressure, a direct consequence of potassium's ability to counteract the sodium-induced vasoconstriction that can elevate pressure. It's a silent, persistent guardian for your cardiovascular health, working behind the scenes to keep your most vital organ pumping optimally. But the banana's influence extends far beyond potassium. Consider the humble dietary fiber, a true unsung hero. We often associate fiber with regularity, and while it excels at that, its daily presence from a banana orchestrates a much broader, more sophisticated digestive dance. This isn't a quick fix, it's a gradual, systemic refinement. The soluble fiber, specifically pectin, forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract, slowing down the absorption of sugars. This means a more gradual, sustained release of glucose into your bloodstream, averting those sharp, unsettling spikes and subsequent crashes that can leave you feeling drained and irritable. For individuals managing blood sugar levels, this consistent daily intake of fiber from a banana can be a game changer, fostering greater stability and reducing the burden on the body's insulin response. Simultaneously, the insoluble fiber acts as a gentle internal scrub brush, promoting efficient waste elimination and fostering a healthier gut microbiome. Over weeks and months, this consistent fiber intake cultivates a thriving ecosystem of beneficial bacteria in your gut. This isn't just about comfortable digestion, it's about a deeper connection to your overall well-being, as a healthy gut is increasingly linked to everything from improved mood to a stronger immune system. Now, let's talk about the subtle energy boost that a daily banana provides, not the fleeting jolt of caffeine, but a sustained, nuanced vitality. Bananas are a fantastic source of natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, but these aren't the villains they're often made out to be when consumed in their whole food package. Coupled with the fiber, these sugars are released gradually, providing a steady, reliable fuel source for your brain and muscles. Imagine a long-distance runner needing consistent energy, not a sudden burst followed by exhaustion. That's what a daily banana offers your body. This sustained energy can translate into improved focus throughout your workday, enhanced endurance during your workouts, and a general feeling of sustained vigor that can often elude us in our fast-paced lives. It's not about feeling hyper, it's about feeling consistently good, consistently ready. And then there's the often overlooked neurological impact. The banana, surprisingly, plays a role in the intricate chemistry of your brain. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin, often dubbed the feel-good neurotransmitter. While the direct conversion to significant mood alteration from a single banana might be subtle, the daily and consistent provision of this building block can contribute to a more stable emotional landscape over time. It's not a miracle cure for mood disorders, but rather a supportive nutrient that helps maintain the delicate balance of neurotransmitters essential for well-being. Coupled with magnesium, another mineral found in bananas that plays a role in nerve function and relaxation, the daily banana can subtly contribute to a sense of calm and a reduction in everyday stress. Imagine a slow, steady stream of positive influences on your brain chemistry, gently nudging it towards a more balanced state. This consistency is the key. It's not a one-off event but a sustained dietary contribution to your mental resilience. But here's a twist. While bananas are undeniably beneficial, the timing and context of their consumption can subtly alter their impact. Eating a banana as a pre-workout snack, for instance, capitalizes on its easily digestible carbohydrates for immediate energy. Consuming it as an evening snack, however, might leverage its tryptophan content to potentially aid in relaxation and sleep. The daily banana isn't a rigid prescription but a versatile ingredient that can be integrated strategically into your daily routine to optimize its benefits for your specific needs. Understanding these nuances empowers you to truly harness its potential, transforming a simple habit into a conscious act of self-care. It's about recognizing that even seemingly small dietary choices, when consistently applied, can accumulate into significant positive outcomes. Furthermore, let's consider the impact on your immune system. While not a primary immune booster, the consistent intake of vitamins and minerals from bananas, particularly vitamin C and B6, contributes to overall cellular health and function. A body that is consistently well-nourished is a body more resilient against common ailments. Think of it as providing your internal defense mechanisms with the consistent resources they need to perform optimally. This isn't about warding off every sniffle, but about fostering a robust internal environment where your immune cells can do their best work. Over time, this consistent nutritional support strengthens your body's inherent ability to protect itself. The journey of eating a banana daily for an extended period is not about dramatic, overnight transformations. It's a testament to the power of consistent, incremental change. It's about the cumulative effect of small, positive actions that, when repeated, lay the groundwork for significant improvements in your health and well-being. It's the silent, steady hand of nature guiding your body towards greater balance and resilience. This isn't about chasing fleeting fads, it's about embracing a sustainable, scientifically backed approach to nourishing your body from the inside out. The daily banana, in its unassuming form, embodies this principle perfectly. So, if you're curious about unlocking the full potential of your daily nutrition, consider adding a banana to your consistent routine. Observe the subtle shifts, feel the sustained energy, and appreciate the quiet work it does for your body. Embrace the humble banana, and witness the extraordinary ripple effect it can create in your daily life.